Right, welcome guys. So this is the second lecture of machine learning and neural computing. So before moving to the second lecture, so I'll give you a quick recap on the previous lecture, right? So basically, we discuss what is this knowledge and how we, based on knowledge, how we going to uh, take some action based on unknown situations, right? So in this course, basically, we're going to predict some function, right, for a particular uh, set of data points, right? So suppose in this case we have a GPA with salary. So we're going to find a function that will predict the salary for a particular GPA, right? So then we discuss about some complex data. So the data that have multiple attributes, right? So the previous example we have only a GPA, right? But in this case we have like in here we have age, sex, province, history. So these are some kind of complex data, right? So these data points we can basically call it as either samples, data points, data vectors, data items, right? So these are set of data set. This is a data set, and these are the features of that particular data set, right? So we can call these columns as either features, attributes, dimensions, or the variables, right? Then we discuss about the input metrics and then the uses of machine learning. Then we discuss about supervised and unsupervised learning and semi-supervised learning and the reinforcement learning, right? For supervised learning, basically we have a desired output, so we know what the output we need, right? Then we did some examples as well. Then under the supervised learning, there is two problems: regression problem and the classification problem. So regression problem basically have a real values, but in the classification problem we have only categorical data. Then we discuss about unsupervised learning that doesn't have a desired output. We're going to see structure of a data set, right? Basically a clustering or grouping set of data. Then we discuss semi-supervised learning and reinforcement learning, right? That's the end of the first lecture. Then for today, we're going to discuss about simple linear regression, right? So basically,